Hi, my name is Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Priya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please have a seat.
Thanks. I wasn't expecting this cafe to be so busy today.
I know. I had to wait almost 10 minutes to get a table.
By the way, is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. A friend recommended this place, so I thought I'd give it a try.
Good choice. Their coffee is really good.
That's good to know. What would you recommend?
I usually order a cappuccino, but their cold coffee is great too.
Then I'll try the cappuccino.
So, are you from this city?
No, I'm from Chennai. I moved here about a month ago.
Oh, welcome. I'm from Bengaluru, but I've been living here for the last 3 years.
That's nice. You must know the city really well.
I know a few good places. I'm still discovering new ones.
That's the fun part of living in a new city.
Absolutely. So, what do you do?
I'm a college student. I'm doing my master's in business administration.
That sounds interesting. How are you enjoying it so far?
I'm enjoying it. The classes are challenging, but I'm learning a lot.
That's great. I'm a software engineer. I've been working here for about 4 years.
Do you enjoy your job?
Most of the time, yes. Some days are stressful, but I like solving problems.
I think every job has its busy days.
That's true.
So, what do you usually do after work?
I like going for a walk, reading books, or meeting friends for coffee. What about you?
I enjoy watching movies, listening to music, and trying new restaurants.
We have something in common. I love trying different restaurants too.
Do you have any recommendations?
Definitely. There's an Italian restaurant not far from here that's worth visiting.
I'll add it to my list.
By the way, are you learning any new skills these days?
Yes, I'm trying to improve my spoken English.
That's wonderful. The best way is to keep listening and speaking whenever you get the chance.
That's exactly why I'm practicing every day.
You're doing great already. Just remember, learning English takes time, but practice makes progress.
Thanks, Alex. That's motivating. I'll keep practicing with real conversations like this.
And I'll be happy to chat anytime.
That's kind of you. Do you also watch English movies or shows?
Yes, I do. They're a fun way to pick up new words. I usually watch with subtitles first, then without.
That's a good idea. I sometimes watch English news channels to improve my listening.
That's smart. News anchors speak clearly, so it helps with pronunciation.
Exactly. And I try to repeat sentences to practice.
That's the best technique, shadowing. It really improves fluency.
Do you read English books too?
Yes, I enjoy novels and biographies. Reading expands vocabulary.
I'm reading a business book now. It's challenging, but useful.
That's excellent. Reading professional books will help your studies and your English.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places. Last year, I visited Kerala. The backwaters were beautiful.
Oh, I've always wanted to go there. I enjoy traveling too. I went to Goa recently.
That's great. Goa has amazing beaches. Did you try the seafood there?
Yes, I did. It was delicious. I also enjoyed the music festivals.
Sounds fun. Traveling is the best way to learn about culture and food.
Speaking of food, do you cook?
Sometimes. I can make pasta and simple Indian dishes.
That's nice. I enjoy cooking too. It's relaxing.
True. Cooking at home is healthier and cheaper.
Exactly. And you can experiment with flavors.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like Bollywood songs and soft English pop.
Same here. Music is a great way to learn pronunciation.
Yes, I often sing along to practice.
That's a fun method. Singing improves rhythm and fluency.
Do you play any sports?
I play badminton with friends on weekends.
That's cool. I used to play basketball in college.
Sports are a good way to stay fit and make friends.
Absolutely. Team games also teach cooperation.
What are your future plans after your masters?
I want to work in marketing, maybe in a multinational company.
That's ambitious. With your English practice, you'll do well.
Thanks. What about you?
I'd like to start my own tech company someday.
Wow, that's inspiring.
We both have big dreams. It's important to stay motivated.
Yes, and conversations like this help me feel confident.
I agree. Real practice builds real skills.
Exactly. I'll keep practicing every day.
And I'll keep encouraging you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future lessons. Remember, learning English takes time, but every bit of practice with real conversations brings you closer to fluency. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and keep practicing.